Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by preparing assets and the canvas so your sticker prints and cuts cleanly. Open Figma, create a frame sized for your sticker sheet, and import or draw your artwork. Once done, convert raster logos to vectors or place high-resolution PNGs. This ensures crisp edges. Make sure to name layers and group elements for easy selection later. You'll also set a safe margin and stroke settings, so D-lines and bleed remain predictable during export and cutting. Now you'll refine shapes and prepare cut paths. Use the pen or vector tools to trace any raster art and apply Boolean operations to unite or subtract shapes for clean outlines. This reduces stray anchor points. Make sure to add a 1/8 bleed beyond the cut and create a separate cut path layer with a thin stroke so printers know where to cut. Once done, convert text to outlines and make components for repeated designs to speed up layout adjustments. Finish by exporting print-ready files and testing a proof. Export as PDF/X or SVG at 300 dpi with crop marks and bleed. Include the cut path on a separate layer. Once exported, preview to confirm no hidden layers, transparency issues, or stray effects. Flatten complex groups if needed. If prints or cuts misalign, make sure D-lines are precise, add registration marks, and print a test sheet on regular paper to check scale and alignment before committing to a production run.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.